Gikundi kia Rotary gia guku bururi-ini nimagite na uiguithanio wa kunyitanira na macukuru ma kothi cia moko niguo kumenyerera maria maturigiceirie.
In TVET, we have 238 institutions and a total of approximately 450 students.
We want them to be able to enjoy their life when they're adults in an environment that is more conducive.
Ukungiri-ini wa miaka 100 kuma riria gikundi kia Rotary kianjiriirie guku bururi-ini na riria cukuru cia guthomithia kothi cia moko cianjiriirio guku bururi-ini manyitanire kuhanda miti cukuru-ini wa kothi cia moko wa Kabete.
And I'd like to thank TVET because they have come through to solve that problem for us. Now we have institutions that you can be able to go and plant more trees.
Uiguithanio uria uriho kwa ihinda riri ni arutwo 50,000 aria mari macukuru-ini maya kuhanda muigana wa miti iria iraringana na miaka iria umwe atigitie gukinyia miaka 100.
We are eyeing those students to plant their balance and looking at the average age of a student in our institutions is about maybe 20 to 25 years, and that we are looking at around 70 trees in every child.
Gukiri uguo migunda ya macukuru maya niyo ikuhuthika guciarithia mbegu na gukuria mingurwa na Rotary maheane kigina kia unyitaniri na honge ingi cia thirikari mahote gukuria miti milioni 1 o mwaka niguo gukinyaniria matanya ma mutongoria wa bururi ma gukinyia miti bilioni 15 gukinyiria mwaka wa 2030.
Come with partnerships with Rotary, the Ministry of the Environment and Forestry to at least make these resources available for us.
Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Ikua wa Boshi.